Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of event planning. Specifically, how to use event planning tools to organize the best social events and gatherings. Whether you're planning a small birthday bash or a big wedding, we've got the tips and tools to make the process a whole lot easier. Let's be honest, organizing events can get overwhelming. From managing guest lists to tracking RSVPs, planning every little detail can quickly turn into a big task. But don't worry, we're here to show you how event planning tools can streamline the entire process and help you create an event that's smooth, stress-free, and memorable. 1. Why use event planning tools? Now I get it. Planning an event without the right tools can feel like you're running in a race with no finish line in sight. That's where event planning tools come in. These tools can help you stay organized, track all your details in one place, and communicate with guests more effectively. From creating guest lists to budgeting, managing timelines, and sending out invitations, event planning tools take care of it all so you can focus on enjoying the process. 2. Key features of event planning tools. Let's break down some of the key features you'll want to look for when choosing an event planning tool. 1. Guest list management. One of the most essential features is the ability to easily create and manage your guest list. With these tools, you can add names, track RSVPs, and even send reminders, making sure no one forgets to show up. 2. Invitations and RSVP tracking. Event planning tools allow you to send digital invites and automatically track RSVPs. No more guessing who's coming or not. Everything's right at your fingertips. 3. Budgeting and expense tracking. Most tools have built-in budgeting features that help you track expenses in real time. You can set a budget, record purchases, and even split costs with other organizers, keeping everything within your financial goals. 4. Event timeline and task management. Planning an event involves a lot of moving parts. With a task management system, you can break down tasks, assign deadlines, and stay on top of everything from catering to decorations. This keeps you organized and on schedule. 5. Communication tools. Some tools even have built-in messaging features so you can communicate with your team or guests directly from the platform. Say goodbye to endless email chains. 3. Recommended event planning tools. All right, now let's take a look at some of the best event planning tools you can use. 1. Eventbrite. For public events, Eventbrite is a great choice. It allows you to set up an event page, send invitations, track ticket sales, and even get detailed analytics. It's perfect for large gatherings or events that require registration. 2. Trello. If you're someone who loves organizing everything visually, Trello is perfect. With boards, lists, and cards, you can easily manage tasks and collaborate with your team. It's great for breaking down each part of the event planning process. 3. Google Sheets Docs. For those who prefer a more basic but effective option, Google Sheets and Docs are fantastic for managing guest lists, budgets, and timelines. Plus, they're free and easy to use with others in real time. 4. Zola. For weddings or more formal events, Zola is an amazing all-in-one tool. It lets you manage everything from the guest list and seating chart to the registry, making it super convenient for big celebrations. Section 4. Tips for using event planning tools effectively. All right, now that you know about the tools, here are some quick tips to get the most out of them. 1. Start early. The earlier you start using your event planning tool, the better. This will give you time to work out all the details and make any adjustments along the way. 2. Delegate tasks. Don't be afraid to assign tasks to others. Use your tool's collaboration features to distribute the workload among your team. 3. Stay flexible. Even though these tools keep everything organized, remember that things might change. Be ready to adapt as you go. 4. Communicate regularly. Keep your guests and team in the loop. Use your tool to send updates and reminders. Communication is key to a successful event. So there you have it, folks. Using event planning tools can really help take your social gatherings to the next level. Whether it's managing guests, budgets, or tasks, these tools ensure everything runs smoothly and stress-free. So, which tool are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more event planning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy event planning.